Hey everybody, today's the day we announce the winner for the Spooky Inspiration YouTube Hop. But before I announce the winner for my channel, I wanted to thank Kimmy Murray for hosting such a wonderful event. This collaboration has been such great fun and very, very inspiring. Some fabulous, fabulous projects. And if you haven't won here, then make sure that you check out all the other channels to see if you're a winner there. I will have all those links in the description box below. Now, before I announce the winner, there is one more thing I'd like to tell you about. So many people expressed a great appreciation for this particular TV box, and especially in the TV guide on the top. And many comments were, "Oh, I can't wait to see that in the tutorial." And of course, as you know by now, it was not included in the tutorial. And the reason for that is I hadn't made it yet. I had made the TV boxes and made the video and had it scheduled to be posted that Saturday morning, but I hadn't made the TV guide yet. It was literally something that I made at the last minute. I wasn't even sure if I'd be able to make it the way I wanted or if it would turn out. I wasn't sure I'd find what I needed, and so because of that, it wasn't in the original tutorial. So I hope that none of you have abandoned me or forsaken me for that. And to make up for it, I will have a little tutorial just on the TV guide alone coming very soon. So anyway, that's the good news. And so I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can make sure you join me for that. And anyways, so I would like to announce the winner for my channel for the Spooky Inspiration YouTube Pop, and the winner is Sylvia. Congratulations, Sylvia. You're the winner for my channel for the Spooky Inspiration YouTube Pop, and to claim your prize, make sure you contact me within 3 days or by Tuesday evening of the 21st, 2021. And make sure that you check out the description box below, and I'll have some information there on how you can contact me. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. It has been so much fun, and I've already seen one of these TV boxes on Instagram. It was absolutely fabulous, and I loved the way it was decorated. It gives me so much inspiration, and I love to see your creativity. So I hope I see more, and I hope you leave me some comments below. I love reading your comments. And anyway, so thank you so much for watching and participating, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.